all the beauty people from across the country kind of came together for this particular event. They'd flown everyone down for it.
Wait,
scary.
does this industry condone black magic? You can't like racist stuff. You're a public figure. Like
Yeah.
it from your
You're
private.
Double
tap.
Best is when you save it.
Bro, your heels look really good. And she said, I can't help it if you're short.
Oh my god!
After some time, I'm like, ये बटकी बुला के गई.
Okay, I am fucking spoiled rotten. I know you can't tell because I'm.
I was just like, oh, that adds up.
I think she got her eyebrows threaded after school because she had a unibrow.
Yeah,
Insane.
God.
it was
Yeah,
worse than Kajol from BTS.
Oh, it was. Hey, not that bad. Shut up. And Google will be like, hey, new memory for you. And I was like, I didn't want this right now. Come on.
One of us four
Okay.
has an ex situationship.
I'm trying to gauge who it is. Is it you?
Hi guys, I'm Srishti.
Hi, I'm Dhritika.
I am Zia.
I'm Ashi.
And we are Besharam. Hi Ashi.
We have a veteran
Hello.
like
Hi.
content creator
Uh-huh.
in amongst us right now. You are probably one of the most seasoned ones we've had.
Yeah.
Stop
So
it. Stop it.
crazy.
You don't have to get my age out there. That's a
It's
secret.
not even
That's
your
like a tough-
age.
It's just
not
the
your
experience.
age. It's the experience and it shows so fucking professional,
Mhm.
so put together. I love it. Tell them what
Thank
you do,
you
Ashi.
so much. I am a beauty content creator. I've been doing it for about 11 years now. I have a YouTube channel, I have an Instagram, and I've seen all the phases of social media.
I love that.
You'll see that through the course of this episode.
Yeah.
For sure.
So since we're like, we started this only a year ago and
Yeah.
we've
Is
been,
it?
we have been best friends for what, 7, 8 years?
8 years
8
now.
years.
Yeah. So,
So
since
this is
school.
one of those, oh, we should totally start a podcast
Yes,
kind of a
exactly.
story. Oh,
Yeah.
God.
It
And
is.
then there was no tax on the mic. So we were like, okay, Nirmala Didi.
I
That's it.
wanted to do that with my friends. They didn't agree. I was
Oh,
like-
no.
They're like, yeah, we should. And then they're like,
Chhod bhai.
It will
Yeah.
test your friendship, I'll tell you that.
Yeah, it
Sure.
does.
For sure.
It
It
will
does.
Oh,
hun-
God.
like there is no other group of friends that I have that I can do this with
Mhm.
because I just know they're ticks. I know what gets them happy, what gets them sad, and
Yeah.
everything I know now. But yeah, I wanted to basically ask you, like,
Hmm.
since you know this so much better than us, and we want to
Yeah.
be friends forever,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah.
So I want to ask you what it's like to like be friends when you're sort of on the come up of like a public image.
Honestly, I have a lot of friends from my childhood, my college, and I don't think anything has changed between us. I feel like
Wow.
they're the ones who will keep you grounded and
Agreed.
not let you fly. Because
Yeah.
when there are 100 DMs saying, oh, Didi, you look so beautiful, there one person is like, what's up with your makeup? Why is it cracked and all?
Yeah.
Yes.
Literally me, they always have to bully me because my makeup is not blended.
No, it's because you never invest in a makeup brush.
Don't. See,
Are you
the
serious?
thing with makeup brushes, hai,
Mhm.
I have a lot of beauty blenders, but
Okay.
with brushes, I am very lazy. I don't clean them. So instead of like,
Dude, have you seen Zia's blush brush?
I wash it once a year. But then that's the thing. No, see, that's the thing. I don't break out. These people don't break out.
Don't take it for granted.
Yeah, I know.
Don't-
Touch wood.
touch wood.
wood.
Fast.
That's real. That's real.
But then it gives you a custom blush shade
Every time. You know, actually, even I have a lot of brushes. I don't wash them as often, and I sometimes just pick it up and put it on, and there's
Yeah.
product already in it. So I
Exactly.
get it.
You're saving product.
Exactly.
It's great.
It's like always a neutral tone. It's never too cool. It's
Yeah,
never too
it's
warm.
perfect.
It's,
It's
so
all your
Yeah.
favorite blushes in one.
No, no, you get it. I love that. I have also been doing makeup for quite a while. I've not been
Uh-huh.
posting, of course. When I was in 7th standard, I used to do like a full face of makeup, and then my mom would be like, "Where the hell do you think you're going? You're not going out like that." And now
Oh
she comes to me and she
God.
asks me to
Can
do
you
her
do
makeup.
my
Yeah,
eyeliner?
Can you do my eyeliner? I know you know it. I know you know it.
I was the
Yeah.
biggest. I don't wear makeup.
yeah, she was that girl.
Who
Quirky.
wears makeup?
Quirky of you.
Yeah. And then I grew up and I'm like, you know what? Shut up. The
And
old
wear
self
makeup.
of you. I will wear makeup. And then it just
Yeah.
progressed.
I think she got her eyebrows threaded after school,
Yeah.
which was like crazy because she had a unibrow.
Yeah.
Oh
Insane.
God.
It was worse than Kajol from BTS.
Oh, it was. Hey, it was not that bad. Shut up. Shut up.
But what made you think like, okay, now I'm gonna start wearing makeup? what brought that on? Was it a boy?
No, it was her.
It's never a boy.
She
Wow.
rubbed. So the first
So
time
cute.
I wanted to wear makeup was because I was at Srishti's house. We're getting dressed to go somewhere.
Mhm.
That's our routine. You know, we get dressed
Of
together
course.
and then we go out.
Yeah.
And I was feeling really bland. I was like, "Benjo, ये क्या चल रहा है? मतलब शक्ल पे कुछ भी नहीं है." And then I asked her for a powder blush.
Mhm.
And I was like, "Wait,
That
looks
looks
good."
good.
And then I tried mascara. So I bought long
Okay.
time ago, but that was it. Like mascara and compact. That's it. That's all I would do. And a gloss.
Mm.
I was a plain gloss girl for the longest time, and now I've changed to matte.
No, but like what's crazy is that for her 10th farewell,
Mhm.
she actually called me up, and we were not in the same school. So my farewell was in like another on another day. So I was free that day,
Hmm.
and she was like, "Bro, can you please do my makeup?" And I was like, "Yeah, sure." I woke up at like 8 a.m. because she had to like leave by 9. I woke up, I go to her house. We live close by, so it's fine. And then I bring my whole makeup ka pitara. I'm like, what,
My
15
mom-
years old,
I'm
whatever.
that
I am.
friend.
My
I'm
mom's
so that
awestruck.
friend.
My mom's like, she has a lot of
Your
makeup.
mom has given me the eyes. She's like, you better not fuck this.
And my mom was like,
She'll
"Zyada
never
nahi
touch
karna,
makeup after
zyada
this."
nahi karna, kam nahi karna, because first time I was
Yeah,
putting that much of makeup
course.
on my face, and then uske baad se it just I grew.
Happened.
It
Fair.
was literally a cream blush and Maybelline Age Rewind. That was all it was.
But you know, I've seen like a lot of people who are doing makeup for the first time. They go to a makeup artist, Didi, and all respect to them, but they happen to do a full face for someone who's
Right.
not into it.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
this happened for my sister. My real sister was getting engaged or married or some function. Okay, big ass function. All aunties and sisters of mine are getting ready together. All of them hid their makeup. My sister started. Another sister started crying. Her makeup's weeping, and she's like, "I'm gonna wash this off." And I'm like, "Okay, I'm gonna pull it together for everybody." And I've done like 5 faces together, and that Didi was like, I was like, "Bro, but what have you
What have
done?
you-
Why have you
Yeah.
given a 12-year-old a black smoky eye? Why have you
I
done
know.
that?"
Yeah.
That's
She will cry.
Of course.
But like, yeah, getting back to the topic, friendships. Since like, I feel like after growing like a sort of audience, people are obviously a little bit hesitant to be your friend also. And some people want to be your friend
Yeah.
more so because
Yeah.
you have this clout
Fair.
or whatever.
Yeah.
So have you ever had like a friendship that was just like, okay, this friendship exists only and only to benefit my career?
Like a convenience friendship.
Thankfully, no. So far, no. And like the friends that I've had, it's not my friends, but it's people that I grew up with, my acquaintances, people I went to college with, people I went to school
Yeah.
with. Like a lot of them happened to unfollow me when I started my career. I was posting every single day.
Right.
And like I saw most of my like list unfollow me, and I didn't even have like any app to see who's unfollowed. I would manually go and see people I'm following, and I'm like, she unfollowed me. What, my dear heart? And I was just, and I like had to unfollow almost everyone from my school and college because they all had unfollowed me.
Right.
So people who still follow me, I follow you, but like I've unfollowed everyone else. But these same people have started their own brands, have their own label, and now they're like, "Hey, Ashi, remember me?" And I'm like, "No, I don't."
I mean, at what point did this unfollowing spree happen?
Very early, like as I think in the first few years only, it filtered out basically. And when from school to college, from college to like degree college, people kept unfollowing.
But
and
aren't
then-
you glad about that? That, you know,
I'm
the
okay
fake
with
people
it.
left. Yeah.
I don't care
Yeah.
about it at all. That time I cared.
Fair,
Now
fair,
I'm
yeah.
like, ठीक है. Now I'm more like, हाँ अभी
अभी,
देखा,
हाँ.
अभी देखा.
I think like 5 years ago, it was a huge thing. Like when someone would like post so many videos
Yeah,
about themselves
yeah.
just being confident, people didn't like that back then.
I agree, and I also feel like some people just don't want to see it, right? You followed me because you wanted
Yeah.
to follow my personal life. You wanted to see my photos. You didn't sign up for the content. So now
Yeah.
I'm also more like, okay, you didn't sign up for it. I'm cool with it. But I know a lot of people who I have given advice to, being like, okay, this is how you should start your career, because a lot of people have got in touch with me who were my peers. And I ensure, if I see कि, okay, this person has started posting, I ensure to show my support because I know I needed it back then, and
Right.
literally only my closest friends did it.
Yeah.
And it's very important to be
Valid.
supportive.
Valid. So, along the course of your career of 11 years, do you think that convenience friendship, you need it? Or what's your take on convenience friendship?
Honestly, I feel like this job is very lonely. Like, you sit in your own office. You guys at least have people around you. I sit with my own office, and my entire team works remotely. I have a team of 5 people. They all work remotely because I prefer working alone. But
Fair.
after a point, 5 days a week, 6 days a week, full day becomes very, very lonely.
Yeah.
So at the end of the day, I just want to go back to my friends. I really don't care about other people. I'm just like, I need my
They're not a
girls.
scapegoat.
Yes.
Yeah. And it's so important to have friends that you don't work with.
Yes.
Yeah.
I agree.
Like sometimes we shoot for like 3-4 days together
together.
for 12 hours straight.
Yeah.
At the third day, I'm like, guys, do not meet me for a month.
No, because it's
It makes sense.
done.
We're
It makes sense.
And then we
Yeah.
meet after a week.
Of course.
Because we really are attached to the hip. It's crazy.
Fair. That's
Yeah.
great.
So like I'll go to like my other friends, and then they will have like a completely different story. Like I know people that are working in finance, I know people that are working in marketing, I know people, and then it's just so crazy to see their stories also from that side.
Of
Yeah,
course.
thank God, like people there's some normalcy in my life.
Of course.
And then after the week, the debrief happens.
yeah.
You know, this is what's
Yeah.
happening. This is what's happening.
Yeah.
And that's the best part about it.
Debriefing is my favorite part of anything.
Yes.
Like, I'm not looking forward to the main event. It's the debrief.
It's the
I'm
debrief,
interested
yes.
The best thing, and I can't believe that I'm bragging about this so prematurely, but every time that we go to an event where there's a lot of influencers, it's so great because
Yes.
we are going to talk.
I know. I know.
We always make a plan like that. Okay, here we are going. After this, we'll go
after
here.
this.
We need to spend time, even if it's half an hour, 15 minutes,
वो
वो
निकल
juicy
के-
होता है.
Exactly. It's like
Event,
healthy.
after party, debrief.
You know, in my like friend circle, if I know someone's gonna do something messed up, I'm like, I want to stop her, but the debrief will be so
Yeah,
good.
do it for the
so
plot.
good.
It's all about the
Go
plot.
ahead, do it. At least we'll have something fun to talk about.
Exactly.
It's so fun when somebody fucks up in a group and it's just like,
Yeah.
or you're like,
Yeah.
oh my God,
It's my favorite.
Bro, I'm telling you, they are talking about me.
No wonder you're quiet.
yeah. So
I
the
was thinking of a
conversation.
specific person which I'll tell you later.
Oh,
I was not talking about you.
okay.
But if the shoe
But-
fits.
No. Sometimes, okay, when I'm driving the car, I will. So this one, she always sits next to me. She's always in the passenger
Passenger
seat.
princess.
And both of them, they are in the back.
Okay.
And I will say some random thing, and then the three of them will look at each other, hold hands,
Right.
and they're like,
No, it will be a random life update. That's the problem. We should be like, so guys, I texted him again. And
While driving,
No,
while
not
we
again.
cannot give her the
Yeah.
full attention.
yeah,
That's-
we were driving in Mumbai, bro. Like, we don't want her to crash.
Okay, so as you've said, like a lot of people, like few of your friends and all, who you were very surprised that they unfollowed you and everything. I wanted to ask you, like, have you outgrew few of your friends? Like, you were like, oh, I was like best friends with them back then, but now you know what
Yeah.
our views are.
I have. And I feel like this was one topic that I couldn't wrap my head around. Like, there are a lot of things that happen, and I'm very like, fine, forget
Yeah.
it,
You get
like
over
move
it,
on,
yeah.
get
Yeah.
over it. But there are these few friendships where I'm like, I can't wrap my head around it at all. And I like was speaking to my therapist about it. And
Love.
she's like, you're missing the memories that you made with the person, not really the person.
person.
And you're missing y'all being on the same page about everything, not the person. So trying to like remind yourself, obviously I still miss the memories, and I still look at the
Yeah.
photos, and Google will be like, hey, new memory for you, and I was like, I didn't want this right now, come on. But yeah, I think it's okay to acknowledge that you've grown up, they've grown
Yeah.
up, people have different priorities, different things, and I feel like that's going to happen to you guys also very soon, not like between y'all
agree.
but with other friends.
I
Yeah,
agree.
yeah,
I
yes.
have also had moments or like specific friendships where I miss the memory more than the person.
Exactly.
It's all
Same.
about the memory and the good time that you had with them, and it's
Agreed.
not bad to acknowledge that.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And there's something to be said about like whenever a friend of yours breaks up, of course after that 1 month you'll have that, and he did this also, and he did that also.
Yeah.
But what's more fun is when they break up, when they have a friendship breakup with their best friend, and then
Oh.
Juicy.
Yeah.
friend.
Yeah, like whatever happens in individually. So out of the four of us, we have other friends also. content चाहिए ना.
Of course.
इधर देखिए.
Of course.
Yeah.
So we make like these other friends and all, and then we just every single time something happens, we are like, भाई क्या मस्त टी मिला है, आज तो मिलना पड़ेगा.
So even you have that.
Of course, absolutely.
How does it go about for you?
Nothing. I'm like on voice notes. Like podcast हमने चालू नहीं किया, but चालू है. वैसे तो it's not out
Instagram
there.
खुल जाएगा तो content ही content है.
Exactly. Which is like, you know those memes where it's like, I'll let you read chats with a boy, but not with my best
yes,
friend.
real.
Yes.
I would not.
Real.
I would not.
That's a horrible place.
It's the most unhinged.
It's toxic.
place.
Oh my god, there are so many people we know mutually that we are just sending each other those reels. We're like, bro, look at this joke. Look at this fucking funny bitch. What does she think? And it's so
This
bitter
other-
for what?
Yeah. This other thing also that Instagram started is like showing you likes, right? And then
Yeah.
you see something that ex-friend has liked, which is like, you don't like this. I will like this. This is not about you.
Yeah, that a lot.
I have this certain like 3 people. Okay, I'll tell you what. One of us 4
Okay.
has an ex situationship.
Oh, okay.
And I have a problem where I don't unfollow people very.
Okay. I'm trying to gauge who it is. Is it you?
Clocked it, girl.
So I still follow him, okay? And I met him once. I hated him.
bro, so we were supposed to meet all
She's
of us.
going.
I wasn't there.
I'll tell you what happened. You guys were laughing. She was the only one like,
She knows what's coming.
We all were going out, and she was like, okay guys, I'm very excited for you guys to see this friend of mine or situationship of mine. I'm very excited for you guys to meet him and everything. And he was walking by, and we are sitting by the window, and I saw the
No, we
person.
joked.
I saw the person. She was like, what if it's this one? And I was like, yeah.
so mean.
And the guy comes
And
and,
then-
I sits on the fucking
Oh
table.
The funny part is, I said, what if it's this guy? And then you were like, chi. And then Sandra's like, it is.
Meet him.
I
Oh,
regret
she was
not
there.
being there that night.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, she was there.
Did she feel bad?
No, it was correct. It was
No, we were
correct.
right.
Okay.
We were correct.
She got over it.
Fair
No, but the
enough.
problem is that I still follow him. Because I
Why?
have a problem with like unfollow. Because it's funny to me.
Oh,
Like
okay.
now it's gone too far. Now I can't unfollow. Now I need like, he posts like funny stories. Funny meaning ironically.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll anytime like I find like a fun, like I like dark humor, whatever.
Like
I don't like it.
Bakchodi brain rot.
Got
Because
it.
you can't like racist stuff. You're a public figure. Like
Yeah.
it from your
Your
private,
private
like
account.
private account, like a
Double
chat.
tap.
Yeah.
Your brain.
Best is when you save it.
When I meet an equally racist friend, that'll show her.
You get it. But yeah, so whenever I like find something funny and I want to save it, I want to send it, I'm like, fuck, why is this guy liked it? Yeah, now I can't like it anymore.
Yeah, he's ruined it.
He's
He's ruined it.
insufferable.
He's ruined it.
And the problem is that I think our feeds are the So I'm Sanjana's type.
Oh God. But I mean, it checks out, right? Like, y'all are tight. Then she's just finding a boy version of you.
And he was like,
Clocked it, woman.
I think she has Zia issues. She doesn't have mommy
Yes.
issues, daddy issues. She has
for sure.
Okay, so you guys said you've been doing this for about a year-ish,
Yeah.
right? How many influencer events have you all been to?
One.
I could go we're going to one tomorrow.
Yeah.
How was your experience? I want to know.
The first one was not that bad, honestly. It
Yeah.
was
Yeah.
But
you-
short. It didn't have an
Yeah.
after party.
Oh, they don't have after parties usually.
No, they don't.
No, what? No.
Oh, it's
Only some, like if
just
it's like
work.
a anniversary or something big blowout, yes, after party. Otherwise, it's like ye raha product, dekho, photo nik.
That was for a
Dekha.
movie though.
Ah.
Yeah.
That was for a movie, the event that we'd gone to, and
Okay.
it was pretty short, pretty tight. Not a lot of influencers were there,
Yeah.
but I think it was fun. It was a
Fun.
good experience.
It was good. We found one influencer quite big. Very rude.
Yeah.
Holy shit, we
Yeah.
tried
Oh,
to
yeah.
talk to her.
Yeah.
And she was so fucking bitter for what?
What?
And the
It's
And she's huge,
It
huh?
happens.
what
It's
ticked me
huge.
off is she couldn't leave that personality out. Yeah,
I know.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
I know what
I'm
you
pretty
mean.
sure she has a great personality,
Mhm.
right? But she couldn't separate it from.
Yeah.
Like
I know
she
what you mean.
wasn't herself
Hmm.
Yeah.
on that event.
Like whenever one of us went and spoke to her, we're like, oh my god, how are you doing? She's like not even looking in your eyes. She's eating, she's looking away. Like she's not
they do
looking
that,
into
you know. I've also had those experiences.
That's disgusting.
Not only when I was starting out, but
Hmm.
now also like some of them are just like I'm like we know each other. We're
Hmm.
friends
Oh,
also.
whoa, listen, that's
technically.
bad.
But I'm just like chill.
Achha,
I know what you are like. Just chill.
So you think it happens when they are like currently blowing up a little bit?
yeah,
जब वो
yeah.
You've
वो
had that.
होता है,
I've had that. In fact, so there was this huge event, okay, and I made a lot of friends in COVID. Like,
Right.
all the beauty people from across the country kind of came together and we used to create like fun
Wonderful.
transition videos
Yeah,
and
yeah,
stuff
yeah.
like
Oh,
that. So
fun.
I
वो brush फेंकने वाला.
so we've done a lot of those, okay. So so now finally for this particular event they'd flown everyone down for it, so I was very excited because I'd seen these people
course,
online. Now I
yeah.
get to see them
Yeah.
offline and we're like, oh, we're so excited and we're going to take our first picture together. And she's standing next to me, one of them, and she's wearing these gorgeous silver glittery heels, okay, and
Ooh.
she's really tall. So I was like, bro, your heels look really good. And she turned to me, she's like, I can't help it if you're short. Oh my god, मैं समझी भी नहीं. मैं photo ले रही हूँ. I'm
What
like,
is that? It's like such a bad dig.
I
That
know,
was,
right?
that was so uncalled for.
I didn't even understand. I continued smiling for the photo. And then after some time, I'm like, ये बटकी बुला के गई. क्यों? मैंने क्या किया?
God, मतलब नहीं intention क्या था?
हाँ ना.
She thought I'm calling her too tall and she shouldn't be wearing heels.
But
And I
why?
was like,
क्या?
"No heels." I said, she thought I'm being sarcastic. I was
Oh
like,
God.
Why?
मैं बोलती अगर if I had understood in the moment.
no,
but I
valid.
didn't.
The
That was
problem is that these people have so many eyes on them every single day that they think कि सब हमें
Everyone's
hate करते हैं.
thinking the same.
और
But हम तो friends थे ना online. मैं वही बोल रही हूँ. That's why I didn't even understand because I was like, why would she say something offensive to me?
Yeah.
But she did.
When did you clock it?
30 minutes.
Okay.
So I have like these 4 or 5 influencer friends who I'm really really tight with, and I'm very grateful to have found them because I told you I have friends from school and college
Right.
जिनके साथ मैं I can't discuss
Yeah,
the
yeah.
nitty gritties of work
Work,
with them because they're not in it. These
Yeah,
people are
they
also
wouldn't
in
know.
it and they've been in it long enough.
Yeah.
So I was very happy to find them and like to be able to discuss work, and we've grown really really close because of it. So I was like talking to them and I was like, "ये थोड़ा ऐसा कुछ बोल के गए ना." She's like, why did you allow that? I was like, I don't know. We were all taking the
Allow that?
photo.
But wasn't that like your first
No, I've
event
been-
after COVID?
After COVID, yes.
So you were, everybody was out of practice.
Yes.
Maybe that.
But
that-
still, no excuse to say
no
that.
excuse to
Yeah,
bully.
no excuse.
that doesn't justify the
No,
behavior.
of course it doesn't.
It's a reason, not an excuse.
Yeah.
But it's a shit reason as well.
Yeah, but then this particular person has done this to all my friends also.
Whoa,
And
hey.
other people also.
Hey, cut off.
We really want to know who the person is.
Yeah.
Wait, later.
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 But basically, yeah, she's just a meanie. So you can't really do anything about
She's
it.
just a
meanie. Are there a lot of
Meanie.
meanies here?
Oh, so many. But like, you know they're meanie, so now I stay away only.
The meanest ones, I think, if I had to gauge from what I know online, because matlab, I have grown up with the internet, no supervision, nothing. According to me, what I can gauge is like anybody that's like, guys, be kind, self-help. They are the worst.
Also, people, not all, of
Yeah.
course, but like people who are sort of self-made. Not all.
I don't agree.
There are exceptions.
Okay,
But
I think the ego boost is
Yes.
Yeah.
very
Yeah.
strong.
Yes.
Yeah.
Once,
Were you like, do you start from scratch?
Yes, I did.
That's why I
But
said
that's what I'm
exceptions are
saying.
always there.
But that's what I'm saying. Like at my home and in my friend circle, I am put down and how. That's what kept me humble.
Yeah.
And I
That's
true.
proudly go around saying, I'm very humble, but I actually am.
no, that's true.
We
Down.
can
And even if you
genuinely
don't say
sense it.
Even if you don't say it, it shows. Yeah, exactly. You can sense
Yeah.
it. Even if a person's trying to act all uppity, they're still trying to act all uppity. And at the
Yeah.
end, if they are humbled, it's going to come out in certain ways.
Yeah.
Trust me, Ashi, I'm gonna glaze you right now. We've had people that we've spoken to
Yeah.
Yeah,
that have
yeah.
not given us this vibe.
Oh
Yeah.
God.
And this is such a huge compliment because I've been sick. I literally fell sick after I met somebody, and I
It
had to remove my
happens.
nazar.
Oh
One,
my God.
two,
Yeah.
and even Sanjana. I
That
was
happens.
drained.
It's happened to me also.
Couldn't even lift my finger drained.
Like
was crazy.
I didn't tell you guys actually. Like like last week only, I was so sick, and I felt even more sick when I was going to sleep, and I vomited and everything. And then at 1 o'clock at night, I'm like, Mama, you need to remove my nazar. And while she was removing, I didn't tell her because of course she would get scared.
Scared, yeah.
While she was removing my nazar, that person was in my mind. I was like, this
Oh,
person
of
is
course.
definitely it, and I could feel it come out.
Yeah.
And there was apparently so much nazar.
There is. It happens. It's happened to me also. I'd gone to some social function kind of a thing, and there is this new person who's like introduced to our group and all. And I've come home. I've cried for 6 hours. No idea
Oh,
why.
shit!
No idea why. And I'm just lying down, and I'm like, water is not stopping. And I'm just like, I called my friend, and I was like, you need to take me to Hanuman Mandir right now. There is nothing else. And like while that was happening to me, I was like, okay, feeling better. And since then, I have like a black dhaga on my foot. I never remove it.
Yeah,
Never.
even I wear some or the other thing black. It's
Yeah.
either my rubber band or like
And my friends have
Something.
also faced it from like this person. Like so I'm like, okay, I'm not the only one.
Yeah.
That's
Wait, does
scary.
this industry condone black magic?
I don't
What
know.
the fuck?
I don't
I'm
know.
out. I have plan B, bro. Sorry.
No, once you have a black dhaga.
I mean, yeah, I could get that made.
Get
like,
it.
my
Get it. Then you stick around in the,
The thing
industry.
is-
No problem.
the most resilient people are the people that have grandparents because they will give you like, you know, some like very
Yeah.
strong
Yeah.
shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you'll be like,
Yeah,
yeah, now
I'm
I'm,
good.
No,
sorted.
I'm sorted.
Now I'm sorted.
I feel protected.
Yeah, grandparents do that, bro. I love it.
But in general, I'm also very scared of all of these things. Like,
Yeah.
as a person, I'm very, very hyper paranoid when
Yeah.
something, and I can sense vibes very quickly. So I tell these guys that
She also sees zyada haso
She sees ghosts.
She sees ghosts.
Is it?
yeah, I have
She
Stories
experienced.
tell me later. I'm
Yeah.
very
We have an
interested.
episode on it.
Okay, I'm gonna watch it.
Yes, please, you'll have fun.
I
You'll have
love
fun.
ghost
Yeah.
stories.
I'm being an asshole in that video. Because I'm like, bhai nahi hota.
No,
Please.
होता है.
Hota hai.
I'm होता है.
क्या एक बेस्ट वाली सुनाओ.
I don't have
Whatever you've
any,
heard.
I don't have any, but genuinely, like my parents come from a village. Like they're like 9th pass and 12th pass, and they directly
Yeah,
come
yeah.
here and started working
Wow.
and all. They have like mad horror
It's always
stories
the
from the
villages.
village.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Where are you from originally?
Gujarat. Like a really small village in Gujarat, and the stories are legit, bro.
I'm from
And-
Rajasthan, so I relate.
And they've happened to like my cousin, like my parents and my mom's been possessed once as her child. So I'm like, no, I'm not. So like it happens. I believe it. I believe my mom. Yeah,
Yeah.
Of course. But even if it didn't happen to me, I would still believe it.
agreed.
The childhood stories that my mom tells me, once she swallowed a 25 paise coin. And so she was in an open like cycle wala rickshaw on the way to the hospital. Obviously because she
Right.
swallowed a coin.
Yeah.
पीछे से वो खुला होता है. She was on my nana's back. She has vomited it on the way.
Oh shit.
On the way to the clinic, she has vomited it. Those are the stories that I have heard.
No.
Yeah.
Oh God, that's
25 paise coin. Like I don't know whether she thought it was yummy or whether she thought it was that chocolate.
Yeah. Oh God.
But circling back to the fact that you said that you just came back from the function and you were crying.
Crying.
So, like, what led you to this breakdown? Or, you
There
know,
was no breakdown. I just felt heavy and my eyes wouldn't stop crying. I didn't have anything to cry about. I was not listening to sad music.
Oh,
or
so it
anything.
wasn't-
It was just coming out, and it was one of those auspicious Diwali days. Also, Lakshmi something
uh-huh.
जो रहता है. My mom's like, bro, you're the Lakshmi of
Of
the
the
house.
house,
Please do
yeah.
not cry.
Yeah.
Go get it removed and
no.
stuff. So I was like, okay, now I'm gonna have to go because it had been
Yeah.
6 hours that it had not stopped. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna have to.
Even
run
like a
now.
normal, a reasonable breakdown lasts a few hours. 6 hours is a
This
lot.
was not,
6 hours
and I
is
was
a
not
lot.
sad or anything. There was nothing had happened.
I mean, it was Diwali, so I'm sure like you were around like family.
I was
and
very
stuff.
happy. So
Yeah.
it was
Shit, but like,
like,
yeah, but
crazy.
breakdowns, babe. Speaking of segue, but you did that. You did that. Clearly, you know what you're doing.
Yeah. Sneaky, na?
Says that we have
Very,
points to write.
very.
Acting sneaky.
Yeah. Speaking of breakdowns, I feel like I love a good breakdown. See,
too.
I'll be the first one to say it. I love it when I have something and I can get it out. For me, it's like रो कर खत्म करो because बाद में 3 दिन मुझे sad नहीं होना because मेरे 3 दिन खराब हो रहे हैं भाई.
Valid. Even my dad says that. He's like, if you want, cry the whole day.
Yeah.
And then once you're done crying, don't feel bad about it.
Yeah.
Because you're over it. Like,
Yeah,
you need to
yeah.
also have that in you कि मुझे हो गया अभी.
Yeah.
Cry for 2 days for that matter. But then after
Yeah.
that, once you're done,
Exactly.
get over it.
एक बार रमजान में I was watching a show because of course मैं क्या नास्तिक हूँ.
I was processing that. I was like, are you allowed? I don't know.
No, I started watching it before, but then the night of like
Okay.
वो हो गया, चांद दिख गया वगैरह. I was watching it and it was a very sad show. If you watch One Day on Netflix,
Okay.
तुमने
Right
देखा?
now.
किसी ने देखा
हाँ.
है?
Write it on my post.
Please, oh my god, it's
Haven't.
gut wrenching. And
I
I
love it.
started it. I thought it was a romance show because that's what it was. Last में भाई क्यों मतलब
God.
I will not spoil it for you, but it was so fucking sad.
Okay.
And while I was watching, I was like, Zia, this is way too cringe. Like, you
Yeah.
cannot cry over a TV show. Shut the fuck up. For the next 3 days, of course, I was just snapping at everybody because I was so sad. Like, you know, when you like just sit down in the washroom while you're taking a shower, you're like,
Yeah.
यार,
क्यों
what
देखा
was
मैंने और ये
happening?
क्यों हुआ?
Yeah, and then you're still like too embarrassed to cry.
Yeah.
That's true.
It's crazy, but I think like breakdowns that like deserve to be had really need like a special moment. जैसे मतलब
See, like I've recently had a breakdown. It was early in the morning.
Today?
No, like
Oh, I also
not
had
today.
one.
This is like 3-4 days ago
Okay.
only. Early in the morning. At that time, I was still back in London,
Hmm.
and it's like right.
Casual. I was in London.
Bro,
I was
love
also in
that.
London.
I love that city, dude. I love that city. So, I'm just sitting in my bed and I'm watching reels like a normal person do when they wake up, right? So I'm watching reels and then I started crying randomly, and then my roommate, she's asking me, bro, why are you crying?
Yeah.
Like bawling your eyes out, crying. I'm like, एक रील देखा, कुछ लोगों ने अपने मम्मी पापा को अनाथ आश्रम में भेज दिया.
Bitch, that
पापा
breaks
को
my
अनाथ
heart.
आश्रम में.
Yes. Have you seen that reel where this guy drops off his
couldn't,
old
bro, I
parents
couldn't.
on the bike?
Yeah.
He just drops
I've seen
them
that.
off.
Oh my
Oh my
god.
I can't with all of that.
I cannot.
I just
Old
can't.
people and animals.
Bro,
Yeah,
you are a Bombay girl. You've been to Dakshin right?
Mhm.
There हम पूरे मतलब सपरिवार समेत गए हैं वहाँ पे, और मतलब मेरी एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली भी है वहाँ पे, एंड वी सी दिस ओल्ड मैन एंड ही इज ईटिंग वन उत्तप्पा alone.
Oh god.
Oh,
I cannot.
and my dad was sitting on the edge. Thankfully, he has included this uncle in our.
Oh, so sweet.
And I was like, oh, thank God. Like now, I will not go home and cry
Correct.
because
Exactly.
it was so sad. Like it's one thing watching it on
Yeah.
reels. It's another to see it in real life.
Life.
I was
Agreed.
joking.
When I was young, are any of y'all Jains by any chance? Do you know what a pathshala is?
Yes, I've
So,
been to one.
so basically, there are like
Religious lessons.
religious
Yeah,
lessons
yeah.
that you go for.
Yeah.
That I had, and I had they had taken us. So I used to go every day, and then I used to. There was a trip where they took us. Trip पे
Whoa.
कहाँ लेके गए? अनाथ आश्रम. No. वृद्ध आश्रम, not अनाथ आश्रम.
worse,
वृद्ध
worse.
आश्रम. And I was like. Then we were like filling housey with them, and we were asked to dance for them, and like we were
How
making
old were
them-
you then?
10. I don't know.
Oh no.
And then like we had like these fruit baskets also that we gave them, and it must have made their day. I don't remember. And I have gone home and I was like, I will never do this to my parents ever.
I swear to God. I swear
Bad,
to God.
bro.
So
That's
my
crazy. It was horrible.
dad got me into this habit where every birthday he was like, you have to, do something good for the
Yeah.
society.
Hmm.
So every single year, it was like go to like these old age homes
Yeah.
and gift them like these medical kits
Yeah.
where there are like pills,
Yeah,
sweaters, and every like essential kit, something like that.
Mhm.
And then I used to spend some time with them, maybe like half an hour, 45
Yeah.
minutes, but I was old enough to understand that,
Okay.
do that and everything. Last time, like this year, since I was studying abroad, I couldn't do that. So I asked my dad if, he could arrange for the kids and then have them sent. He was like, no, it's not fair, because they are not expecting the kids every year. They are expecting like a young person
Yeah.
to come and spend some time
Hear
with
their
them.
stories and stuff.
Yeah.
So cute.
But there's homeless people in London also. Like, no, but like, it's fair enough, na?
Yeah, I saw it.
But मैं तभी
क्या?
भाई पाउंड्स में खर्चा करना बहुत
So
ज्यादा होता
what?
है.
Being nice has no cost. It's so
वो
Especially when you come from
so
money.
wrong.
भाई,
It's your birthday.
मेरे पैसे है, मैं इधर क्या बोलते हैं, आई एम ऑन अ बजट.
Student loan.
Student loan कहाँ गया? गरीबों में बांट दिया. मैंने
अब
student
मैं
loan-
गरीब हूँ. मुझे लोन चाहिए वापस.
Yeah, किस चीज के लिए लोन चाहिए? Charity के लिए. She'll be like, it's a write-off. It's fine.
Yeah.
Dude, I literally like yesterday. तो घर पे काम वाला भैया's gone to some wedding in his गाँव. ठीक
She's
है.
a Cinderella.
And
okay?
my sister studying for her exams, so it's obvious कि मुझे ही करना है सारा काम.
Yeah.
ठीक है. मैं घर पे मतलब मॉम्स इन द किचन, मेरी बहन और डैड किधर तो भी काम से बाहर गए. घर पे सिर्फ मम्मा और मैंने अपने ईयरफोन्स लगा के मैं अपना काम कर रही हूँ. किधर से पता नहीं एक आंसू टपका. ठीक है. फिर एक और टपका, फिर 3-4 टपके. तो मैंने अपने आप को समेट लिया. लाइक यू नो व्हाट, नॉट नाउ. फिर सारा काम पटाया मैंने.
बर्तन कौन करेगा?
बर्तन इज दीदी.
Okay.
दैट शी कैन डू फॉर लाइक
Okay,
15
okay.
मिनट्स.
Okay.
ठीक है. एंड देन मैं नहाने गई. ओ भाई, I have just put water on me and the eyes have not stopped.
Oh God.
And I genuinely don't know why that happened.
नहीं, why
I'm
don't we
not-
know this? ये कब हुआ?
Though yesterday I think, और उसके एक दिन पहले. But it was so irrational कि मैं क्या बोलूँ.
Right.
Breakdown हो गया. ठीक है. They asked me किस वजह से हुआ. मुझे भी नहीं पता किस वजह से हुआ. It was so random. And then it didn't stop until I had finished having a bath.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Once I'm out, I'm like, nice.
Good. She cries in the shower so nobody can see her tears.
She looks at the shower head and she's like, what if it was me? But yeah, I will one up you there.
Go on.
Like, I think your breakdown is not even stupid. Like, doing chores, fair enough. Breakdown, for sure. I am a spoiled brat. Like, I live in a joint family and I've been the youngest since I have been born.
Oh.
Okay, I am fucking spoiled rotten. Okay, I know you can't tell because I'm
I was just like, oh, that adds up.
fair. But like, I'm so spoiled that at times I will not make my bed. I know that's bad.
I don't make my bed.
You don't, right?
No.
Thank God. I get so
Nor do I.
much judgment because
For
like
what?
my help will do it करके.
So help है ना.
Valid.
But yeah, fair. But doing chores, I understand. There was this one time where I was visiting my Masi in Hyderabad and my mom was not there. I must have been in 6th-7th standard at that time and I had gone alone with my cousins for the first time. Of course, matlab, we had adults taking us, but my mom or dad were not there. I am at this point very obsessed with YouTube. I love a Shane Dawson. I love a Lily Singh.
That era.
Exactly that era, okay? So I had obviously, because I'm so spoiled, forced my parents into buying me the Lily Singh book.
Oh yeah.
How to be
A girl
boss.
boss.
How to be a
You
boss.
know it. You know it. And as I said, as I told you, I do
Yeah.
not read.
I forgot about it.
So I am reading this. I'm outside in a balcony, and of course, Hyderabad में बहुत बड़े फ्लैट होते हैं. मुझे आदत नहीं, मैं बॉम्बे में रहती हूँ. हमने 1 BHK का 2.5 1 BHK का 2.5 बनाया. तो मैं बाहर बालकनी में ऐसा मैं रीड कर रही हूँ बुक. पहली बार मैंने शायद
I'm a vibe right now. Don't disturb me.
पहली बार बुक खोली होगी मैंने. मैं खोल रही हूँ, मैं पढ़ रही हूँ. Wow, this is so inspiring.
Yeah.
Shit.
Is it?
I need to. मुझे ऐसा लगा वो टाइम
At
पे.
that point, it was inspiring for
Anything.
everyone.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
फिर I'm like, fuck, dude, this is changing my life. I can't believe this book is going to end one day.
Lily Singh, if you're watching,
You made a little girl cry.
Please
No, it didn't make me cry yet.
write a
I
sequel.
go- yeah, for sure. I go to the last
Page.
last chapter of the
Huh.
book, because every chapter was one like lesson or whatever,
Okay.
one like life skill.
Got it.
So the last one, for some reason, is about her meeting Malala. Why? I have read that chapter with like my face. You can't see my face. There's only tears, and I'm like, I'm missing my mom. I'm so mad that whatever happened to Malala. I'm so mad I couldn't meet Malala. I'm so happy that my idol got to meet Malala. Like there was like 80 different things I was crying about.
Ideal match ho gaya.
Yeah. And then it all made sense to me a few years later, guys. It took years for me to realize this, that there is something called as PMSing. Because what I told you, 6th, 7th standard, I didn't have my period for so long.
God.
So I did not know that you get
Oh,
hormonal.
shit.
It was
Right.
like my first PMS
Oh god.
in a different city.
oh no,
My
without
mom's not
mother,
there.
without your mom, that's bad.
Without
That
my
was
mom.
That's bad.
And yeah, it was, and now I can laugh about it. It's
Yeah.
like so stupid. I still have the book.
Even I
Are
have it.
there
I
like
need
the-
to-
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
Tear holes or something like that.
No, thankfully I had so much respect for that book at that moment that I have shut it and then I've cried. But yeah, that's I think chores valid.
sure.
This is fucking stupid.
Stupid. But like I cannot cry to songs.
I can only cry to songs.
I
I
Same,
can cry in
same,
general
same.
I
also.
need to
Same.
be in
But-
my feels and I'm feeling all my, because sometimes songs take it away. Like if a certain, even if a sad song is playing, if you relate it to a memory,
Yeah.
your vibe's gone of you crying. So I can't cry to songs.
Ulta,
I have
that
to
is why I
reverse to
cry.
the part
I can't.
where
Yeah.
it's like what is that song? Where
Kun
the-
faya kun.
Kun faya
No.
kun.
Nadan Parinder.
Yes.
Ah.
Where it's
Kagare,
like,
kagare,
kagare, kagare.
Somebody fucking fix this mic.
But that song made so much more sense to me जब मेरे भाई ने मुझे वो
Meaning
मीनिंग
बताया,
समझाया और हम
correct.
गाड़ी में थे.
Yeah.
Random conversation,
Yeah.
that song's playing. और फिर मेरे भाई ने बोला तुझे इसका मतलब पता है? I'm like नहीं, please tell me.
Yeah.
And then he told me, I was like,
I thought सबने वो
Peak
reel देखी है.
lyricism.
Bro, I had one friend, she loved the song and she also cries like this. I
Hmm.
explained her the meaning while we were on a road trip.
Oh,
And she was,
Bro, we are in my car.
how could you?
I thought I'm the wise one here.
Bro, we are in my car and we are listening to this one song by Joji.
Oh. Oh no.
Which
What
one
has
is
happened
it?
was no. See, she
Yeah,
was
yeah,
going
yeah.
through it. She was sitting behind. Okay.
Yeah.
And I had fought to
No,
sit in the
I
front.
was, no, fuck that. Wait, no.
Starting से चालू कर रही
Starting से सुनो.
हाँ.
हम तीनों जाने वाले थे क्या राइड पर because it was raining. It was a good weather for like a drive at
Yeah.
Narman. ठीक है? She picked me up. I sat आगे. Usually, like we said, she sits next to her. I sat
It's a
आगे.
designated seat.
I shut up. Get it.
I sat आगे and then we picked her up and she's like पीछे जा. I'm like नहीं तू जा. She's like नहीं तू उठ के पीछे बैठ. I'm like मैं नहीं जा रही. And then she's like ठीक है मैं घर जा रही हूँ.
And she crossed.
She crossed. Okay.
Crossed
So
the
what?
road.
And then I was all ready. I was
Yeah.
pissed. I'm like, you know what? Take the seat. I'll sit pीछे. And then songs played, drive होकर तो I was a little mellow. Go on now.
Yeah.
Now I'm not in the rest.
Then after that, Zia.
I was on aux. Okay.
Yeah.
And तभी I asked her क्या बजाओ and then she's like
No, you were like, have you listened to this song of Joji? This is one of the most famous songs of
It's
his.
Glimpse of Us.
And then
Okay,
I
I
was
did
like,
not
no,
know
it was
that.
a different song.
test drive.
Test Drive. And then I was like, isn't Glimpse of Us his most famous song? Then she was like, कि हाँ वो भी है. So she was like, okay, ये गाने के बाद मैं Glimpse of Us बजाऊंगी. और मैं ऐसा मजाक भी कर रही हूँ, मैं ऐसा बोल भी रही हूँ कि भाई Glimpse of Us मत बजा देना, ऐसा रोना आता है वो गाना सुन के. कोई भी मतलब फील्स में वो गाना सुन के तो भाई रो ही देगा इंसान.
तेरी कौन जीप थी ना?
जीप थी.
तो बड़ी गाड़ी है, हमें समझ भी नहीं रहा. ये पीछे बैठी है मांडी मार के. फिर हम गाना खत्म हो गया है, मैं घर जाने वाली हूँ. हम पीछे देखते हैं ये
She's
आंसू
weeping.
I'm like,
Mind you, I do not cry to song.
और उसके पहले इसने ये बोला हुआ है I don't cry to song and then we just look back and we're like ए भाई रोको I'm telling Priya तू जा पीछे बैठ तू जा
Okay, let me ask you about the wizard list situation.
oh my god
Since everyone's talking, you know, guys, every cringe person on Instagram has talked about it, so I think it's about time that we talk about
We talk
it.
about
Yeah.
it.
What do you think? What are your thoughts?
I just
No, I'm not calling you cringe, by the way. What are your
I know.
thoughts?
I have certain thoughts.
Hmm.
So the thing is that cheating for me, it's like what the both of them have decided that okay, this thing is supposed to be cheating. Now a lot of people are like, he just texted her. You can't call that
Many
cheating.
people define cheating differently.
Yeah, you can't call that cheating. He hasn't slept with her, he hasn't made out with her. You can't call that cheating. But if two people have, you know, considered that okay, this is where we draw a line, or maybe one person has said, one person from the relationship has said कि मतलब ये मतलब cheating के
मत
बराबर
करो,
है.
हाँ.
तो I think the other person should respect that, and it's okay. She's also a human. I mean,
Yeah.
हाँ, वो जब एक दिन के लिए वो सीरियस था, फिर वो मीम बन गया, तो फिर वो उसके लिए मुझे बहुत मजा आ गया.
Yeah.
मेरा फेवरेट मीम इससे क्या निकला है पता है? विजर्ड ऑफ ऑज की सिचुएशन मुझे अंदर ही अंदर सता रही है. विजर्ड ऑफ ऑज भाई. लाइक बेबी विजर्ड लिस्ट के बारे में सुना. अगर आपको रोना है तो मेरा कंधा
करना
यहाँ पर
है.
yeah, like I don't understand when all the girls are like, भाई उस पे cheat किया मतलब.
I don't think that is coming from a place of वो है. It's just like वो कौन था? It's like you're
It also could be that they've seen their relationship grow so much. You know that it's
Yeah,
genuine. And then when something like
exactly.
this happens, you're like, what the fuck?
the Ace family broke my heart.
Yes,
I
yeah,
know.
Broke
Definitely.
my heart.
But I have been following the drama since like they got
Same.
divorced.
Yeah.
Same.
I love
I
you.
just last night I saw the Catherine podcast. Last
Call
night.
her daddy.
Yeah.
Mhm.
It was
Crazy. The
crazy.
I've
I've always been on her side. Like before when they were married also, like I'm on her side. I don't know what this guy is about.
the similarity between the two
Is
that
very-
that I find is that the man obviously knows that
Yeah.
the woman is the dominant one in this situation. Even though he might feel like that,
Yeah.
it's obviously, if you remove the woman from the situation, the man is nothing. Like even if you watch the Ace family, like their older videos also, if without Catherine, bro, nothing would have happened because nobody liked what's
Yeah.
his name.
I was just thinking that Austin, huh?
Austin.
And I was just like,
Austin
if
McGrew.
he came on the camera, he's like, hey, yes,
Shut up. Oh my
Next.
God. And apparently he used to like scream at her and shit.
Whoa.
Bro, but I'm not even shocked by anything she said. Anything she said, I was like,
Valid.
I expected this.
But
I
then-
don't expect anything less from this guy.
I think it just goes to show you will only get cheated on if your man in himself is insecure.
Insecure,
I agree.
yes.
And if he's
I
insecure
agree.
of who you are.
You are.
I
That's
agree.
true.
And if you're like naturally somebody that's more dominant, that's more
Yeah.
upfront,
That's more confident.
that is making the money,
Yeah.
that's wearing the pants.
Yeah.
If your man does not have a
Yeah.
That's a man's worst nightmare.
Yeah.
To have a partner
No,
like
not
that.
It's
Every
not
guy.
every man.
Not everyone,
Not a
but a
secure
man who's
man.
insecure with himself.
Yeah.
that's
That's
the
his
man I'm
biggest
speaking to.
insecurity.
I'm just kidding.
We'll see. We'll see in an hour, Zia. We'll see in an hour.
Nothing's good. It's not going anywhere. I know it. Oh my god, I spoke it into existence. Guys, I was manifesting.
So, birthday breakdowns.
Oh my god. Do not even get me started.
Bro, every year without fail.
Yeah.
How? Even if things are done exactly how I want them or done exactly opposite of what I want them, now my friends don't take me seriously. It's just like, ये तो रोने ही वाली है. What's the point of trying
कुछ
to...
भी नहीं करते फिर.
Like my friends are on edge or on eggshells around me on my birthday. Like they're just like, yeah, you want this? Yeah, we'll arrange it.
Give me 1 minute.
Anyhow, we'll do it.
Yeah.
What is it? Like why do
Even I don't
usually
get it.
don't have birthday breakdowns. I don't cry, but I'm very mellow on my birthday. It's
Yeah.
also because of the fact that I don't like to make a big deal about my birthday. I like it to be very like with close knit people. I'm not the person to make a big deal out of it. Or like, have a grand party or like take
Yeah.
my friends out or whatever. I just want to like first half with my family,
Yeah.
second half with my friends is going to be a very chill day.
Mm-hmm.
And so it's never had a breakdown, but I
Yeah.
don't feel like, oh, birthday. But like
Yeah.
a week before that, I'm like, birthday, aa raha hai, bro.
No, I will
My
have
time to shine.
She
I-
celebrates
same.
Gandhi Ji that day.
Yeah.
October 2nd.
October 2nd.
I have my birthday countdown since like 6 months.
Huh.
I start.
She's obsessed
I
with
threw
I'm
a fit.
obsessed with
I
mine.
threw a fit 2 days ago, being like, "You didn't wish me happy birthday month, and that really sucks." Knowing that
When's
you're
your
my
birthday
friend.
month?
Yeah. it is.
When is your birthday?
19th June. Thank you.
Oh.
So yeah, I'm gonna cry in a few days.
You're a Cancer.
No, Gemini.
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 Ah, but you're
Yeah.
great for a Gemini.
Thank you. People say that about
Even
me.
my sister's great for a
Yeah,
Gemini,
people say
honestly.
Yeah.
16 June.
Yeah.
She isn't that bad, I feel.
I'm just kidding. I love you, Yashvi.
Yeah, so like 6 months
Yeah.
before my birthday, I'll start making lists.
Hmm.
So I always have a list because
Yeah.
I don't like when people gift me something and I'm not able to use
Fair.
it.
Valid.
It shouldn't be like, okay, you gifted me something that I already have.
Yeah.
So it's mostly like not big things, but
Yeah.
something that I'm planning to buy. Okay, if I'm going to go to Kolaba Causeway, I'm thinking of getting these jhumkas.
Yeah.
Or like I'm thinking of getting few flip flops. So
Yeah.
you can gift me something like that. So I make a list
Hmm.
and then I usually get gifts according
Of
to
course,
that.
yeah.
And then I cry that I got everything from the list.
Yeah.
And then I'll cry because I was looking good also. Then if my eyeliner kind of smudges after getting good pictures, after that also I'll cry.
Srishti is the person who will have 3 backup dresses, but the dress that she will wear will be bought on the day.
On the day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Last year for her birthday, we were the victims of birthday dress shopping.
Yes.
We have gone to Palladium
The night
at
before.
8:39, okay? And that's when all the shops are
Shut.
mostly shut.
Yeah.
We have not even tried the dress.
Yeah.
We're like, उठाओ,
उठाओ.
bill कर
Yeah,
और तू
yeah.
घर चल.
She has gone to Zara. She is running. She's literally running. We can't catch her. She's like, okay, this, and that, and that. And then she does not care, bro. And she's not looking at the price tag. I
Oh,
know.
God.
What a flex. What a fucking flex. But like,
And then we're there to be like, listen, you have
Yeah.
10 dresses,
yeah.
get it down to 1.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
My like birthday
But we
bucket
still
list.
went home with like 3, no?
3. And
It's
you
like
had
दो-
2 at
दो-
home. And you had 2 at
दो
home, Srishti.
दो बर्थडे आउटफिट तो होने
होना चाहिए,
चाहिए
correct
होने
है.
चाहिए
Correct है.
दो बर्थडे आउटफिट so this
outfit,
birthday
नया
of
outfit,
my
bring in outfit.
yeah this birthday that I celebrated, so I was celebrating with my friends abroad and I didn't know, like I didn't expect them to know me that well, so I used to like casually drop hints
हाँ,
कि
okay.
अगर तुम लोग डेकोरेट कर रहे हो ना घर तो मतलब ऐसे वो मेटालिक वाले बलून्स लाना, नॉर्मल वाले मुझे अच्छे नहीं लगते.
no, she is that bitch. She is that.
Yeah,
Photos
bro.
अच्छे नहीं आएंगे.
Yeah, I have been doing that and I was like क्योंकि इसके उसके पहले ना सबके birthdays हुए थे and everyone is getting a birthday cake from Tesco.
Oh,
So I was like कि अगर मेरे को गिफ्ट नहीं दिए तो भी चलेगा बट अच्छा
Cake
सा
अच्छा
एक बेकरी से अच्छे से केक लेके
महंगा
आओ.
होता है वहाँ पे.
I'll tell you what.
बहुत बहुत
When we became friends in 7th grade, okay, from classes. And that time on Friendship Day, she made me a box. You know, like those, when you open it,
Yeah.
falls apart.
Yeah.
I still have the box, okay?
Hmm.
And I sent it to Srishti saying, hey, listen, I have your box. She's like, dude, that's so weird. I'm like, aren't you fucking glad
You
I
don't
kept
save
that
handmade
box?
gifts.
I was like मैंने इतना मेहनत लिया था. So usually if someone close to me, it's their birthday, I will remember that oh I really wanted these pair of shoes, I
Yeah.
really wanted that bag, and I will remember, I will save up, I will
Yeah.
go, I will get that same thing that they wanted. It's mostly like a very materialistic thing. But then this, I was like, भाई मतलब
Yeah.
crazy कर दिया मैंने तो.
Acknowledge, na?
Agreed. I'm with her.
She's
on
like,
this.
that's so weird, you saved it. I'm like, I'm gonna fucking throw it now.
Like,
Yeah.
but no,
No,
but
don't do
Dhritika
that,
saves everything. Like, I forgot I gave her a gift and she had it.
Yeah.
I completely forgot about it. And
Same.
I'm also thinking, भाई इतना time मैंने
Yeah.
डाला इसमें.
Yeah.
Because
yeah.
जब पैसे नहीं होते तब time होता
Handmade
है.
तब time
gifts,
होता है.
bro. Handmade gifts. So many
Exactly.
from my like childhood friends and school friends from like, and I'll say, what were we even talking about over
Exactly.
here, bro?
Yeah.
ये reference story याद नहीं
Pineapple
अभी.
कौन है?
कौन है?
Fair enough.
Usually, like, it takes very little to set me off on my birthday, and sometimes even I don't know. Like, on my birthday, we went to Alibag. I went to sleep, and the plan
Did you
was.
find a brother?
That was the
No,
goal.
I didn't know I had to look for it.
Next time you're there.
Next time I'm there.
Please, you did not do your research,
I'm
huh?
so sorry. I was doing it today morning. It was too late. And okay, so the plan was my friends had hyped me up about hot girl summer. They are like, we're gonna have a hot girl summer
Yeah.
party.
Yeah,
This, that, okay. I went to sleep, and the plan was that we're going to like play games and stuff, and then evening everyone goes in the pool. So my photos and everything happens first. Then everyone goes into the pool, ruins everything, and like
Yeah.
whatever. I went to sleep. And then the boys were like, "Kabhi hum kya karenge?" So they all went in the pool. I woke up, I started weeping. I'm like, my hot girl summer, you guys ruined my hot girl summer. It was so
I'm sure the
pathetic.
guy friends were like so dumbfounded. They were like, we're
Why-
ruining
No,
it.
They were probably scared of you.
Yeah.
they aren't anymore. They were, but they aren't
They're
anymore.
close
Yeah,
friends.
like really close. And last year, and every year in the beginning of the month, I'm like, I don't really feel like doing anything. And then I top it up. Then last year. So पहले hotel था, फिर अलीबाग गए. Last year I took everyone to Goa.
So
And
what's
I
the
was-
plan this year?
Nothing. I don't want to do anything.
We're filming this on the third.
Third.
On the 3rd of July. June, sorry,
June.
not
June.
July. Yeah, but I agree. बीच में जब birthday आता है तभी start में लग because मेरा भी 16th को आता है.
Okay.
So I know first को कुछ लगेगा नहीं मुझे.
नहीं यार, damn cool with a dinner यार. Late checkout जाता है. It's
And
a
the
new
thing is
place.
that my sister's birthday is 2nd August and mine is September 16th. So it's like a month apart. And then whenever I see her like August 2nd, okay, she's celebrating, and I'm like, gee yaar,
Cringe.
cringe है.
Cringe है,
हाँ, मैं तो कभी ना करूँ. And then come like 15th September, I'm like, shit यार, कोई मुझे party क्यों नहीं दे रहा?
I heard you've been off social media because she was cringe about it.
Who?
Your sister.
My sister's been off social.
You've been off social
I
media.
must have blocked her.
No. In your what I meant is that in your podcast episode that I saw today morning, you said you were not using
On-
Instagram.
The siblings episode only.
The siblings
So
episode.
I was like, okay, she's cringe for
Yeah.
wanting a phone before 10th standard.
Yeah.
She's not even graduated 10th standard. So that's why I got a phone after 10th standard,
Yeah,
bro.
I heard that.
What the fuck? And like, everybody had a phone by then.
Yeah.
No, I remember very proudly she was saying, I'm not going to make an Instagram up until I finish my 10th board.
Bro, it
So
was me too.
serious.
You too?
Yeah.
But you had one. We had
I
one.
had
I also
Her
had
parents don't know that's why she's like,
No. My Instagram account was after 10th. My parents got to know it after 11th that
but
I have an
still your
Instagram account.
first archived post must be so bad.
Yeah, of
Oh,
course,
so
bro.
bad.
Do you
Of
know
course,
your
Yeah.
first
yeah,
archived post?
yeah, because I've archived everything because there were some like, so I do giveaways every month.
Yeah.
And like people want to win, okay, so they'll do
Yeah.
everything to get your
Right.
attention. This person has gone and liked like 1500 posts of mine, and she's gone and liked like the first post and sent it to me, and I was like, archive block nahi
10
jeetne
marks
wale
for
tum."
dedication. But what the
like,
fuck?
don't give me bad memories for no reason. I didn't ask for it. So
Do you remember your first post on Instagram?
yeah, I do.
What was
it was about so I started in May. So it was a blog post, and I was writing about how you can style your shrugs in summer. I started with fashion, not beauty.
Yeah.
So that was like my first post. and
This
all.
was 2015?
16.
2016.
2016.
So like boho chic was very
Very-
in.
Yeah. Those white with the tassels.
Tassels.
That's what I thought when you said shrugs. I was like, yeah.
I'm thinking
Yeah.
of Coachella.
yeah. That.
Who was the actress from High School Musical? What's her name?
Vanessa.
Vanessa
Vanessa.
Hudgens.
Yes.
Vanessa
Her
Hudgens.
Coachella
Vanessa
era.
Hudgens,
Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Vanessa Hudgens, when COVID happened, she was like, yeah, and people are gonna die. Like, it's inevitable. Like,
She said
what?
that.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
She said that on Instagram
No
Live.
idea.
She's like, people are gonna die, but
Oh God.
it's sad, but it's inevitable.
I remember it being like a TikTok audio for the longest time.
Oh,
Bro, I was
shit.
obsessed with TikTok. I was so unhappy when
Again, she hooked us.
Oh,
She
were you
had
ever on
me-
TikTok?
No, for the first year of COVID, I was like, that's hella cringe, bro. I'll never do it. And then my transition videos were not working. So I'm like, maybe I need to join TikTok and do transitions there.
Yeah.
For us, we used to not watch the Indian TikToks.
Ah, okay.
We used to watch like the Western ones.
उसमें क्या मजा? उसमें क्या
उसमें
मजा?
अलग- if you see those creators now, you're like, it takes you back to the time.
Yeah.
But if you see Danish Bhai also,
Huh. Oh,
have you ever,
respect.
do you know Danish Bhai?
Yeah.
Danish
You've
Bhai.
ever met him?
No.
Fuck. Oh my god. Being in the game that early on.
I've met like Nagma and Aves and all those people.
Ah, okay,
The-
yeah,
But
yeah.
it doesn't match the level of.
Danish bhai.
Yeah, that's
Not
true.
Danish Bhai.
And you
Danish
sad that
Bhai
you didn't
doesn't
meet him.
show up like this
Lord now Danish
randomly. He
Yeah, he
doesn't
was-
come to
no,
influencer
but-
events.
We like don't see this when we joke about him or whatever, but he was an icon
Definitely.
to the
He
people.
still is.
Yeah, yeah.
He still is.
But to the people that used to follow him and he was, around and all,
Yeah.
like people were crazy.
about
He did start something, and
Yeah,
that's like
for sure.
insane.
He started a cult.
That's still working without him. Imagine if he was still alive.
We did a reel, like the four of us. We did like a lip sync reel on his song or
Okay.
whatever, and people are so mad. They're like, "Don't make fun of the dead." Like
दानिश भाई जिंदा होते तो आज दिखा देते तुमको blah blah blah.
Yeah.
Chill.
Chill.
People, everyone needs a chill pill. Just chill.
no,
little
just
bit.
So true,
Take
and they
it
don't
and
even
leave.
prescribe it. Like a
Yeah.
psychiatrist can't even prescribe like a chill
Just
pill.
chill.
Fair enough. Yeah. So I wanted to know about like your like funniest fucking breakdown.
Bro, oh my god. So basically, my mom had called for a suit, okay,
Yeah.
from Faika Fashion.
Okay.
And she basically
Obsessed.
and basically उनके तरफ से कुछ डिले था इन शिपिंग एंड हमारा फंक्शन चला गया था सो शी लाइक नाउ वी डोंट वांट इट जस्ट कैंसिल इट सो वी डोंट हैव टू रिटर्न एंड ऑल दैट झंझट वी डोंट हैव टू डू सो आई कॉल देम दे आर लाइक नाउ इट्स ऑलरेडी बीन शिप्ड यू डोंट एक्सेप्ट इट बेसिकली जब तुम्हारे डोर स्टेप पे आएगा डोंट एक्सेप्ट इट जस्ट सेंड इट बैक
Was it cash on delivery?
no I had paid online.
Oh, okay.
So that's how you'll get the refund. So I said, okay, fine. Now I'm getting a message saying कि it's getting delivered today. I'm on guard. भैया आएंगे मैं
मना कर
कर भिड़ जाऊंगी मैं.
okay. And my driver comes up. Baby, आपका parcel. I was like, did you accept it? And he's like, and I'm like, go away. I call the delivery guy. I'm like, भैया please लेके जाओ. I can't, like, I'll not get the refund. Please.
Oh no.
He's like, I can't. I've already punched in delivered, so I can't take it back.
Yeah.
So I called the customer care. I was like, see, you guys told me to do this, and you guys told me the delivery guy will call me also. He didn't do that. He just handed it over. So like, take it back. I don't want it. And my
Yeah.
mom has given me this responsibility. So
You
I
can't mess it
can't
up.
mess it up. So I'm yelling at him, okay? I'm actually not being a nice person. And I'm like, tum log ne bola, he hung up on me after 10 minutes.
Whoa.
Okay? Like after 10 minutes of like, I can't do it. I was
Yeah.
like, make me speak to your manager, this, that. I can't do it. He hung up on me.
One of the worst phases of myself is talking to customer care and
Yeah.
I get rude.
When
Yeah.
to
And
go.
I'm
But
just
yeah, I
like-
get it.
And then he's hung up on me. I'm like, shit, the strict approach has not worked. Now I will be sad. So I called again. Another guy has picked up. And I'm like, sir, I have saved up from my salary. My function is over. I don't know what to do with this. It's a lot of money. Please take it back. And I started actually crying, weeping on the phone
With the customer care.
over a made up story. And I'm weeping and weeping. And he's like, ma'am, you need to write an email. We cannot do anything about this. And I'm like, Bhaiya, please, mera salary refund. And he's
No, your eyes are watering right now.
it was emotional. I don't know why. It was so emotional for me. And then he's unfazed still. I was like, कितने लोग रोते हैं कॉल पे तुम्हारे? तुमको फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा. And then
It's a daily for FICA fashion.
so he's like, so then he's like, you write an email. I can't do anything else. I said, please, you're my last hope. This, that, and
But this app does not like offer like refunds.
this particular brand wasn't offering. It's not an app problem. And then he hung up, and then I was still crying after that for like a good 30 minutes. And I called my friend and I was like, I just did this and I'm still crying. Like, but why are you crying? I was like, I don't know.
It's just coming.
It's just coming. And then I realized
Yeah.
I've always been very dramatic as a child. Like ऐसा मेरे को मासी के घर पे नहीं भेजा, so I'm crying and my tears are all over the bed sheet and I'm taking a video on my flip phone and like, these are my tears and nobody cares in the house.
Have you ever been like given like saline and you're like Snapchat?
No.
No.
That's me all the time. All the time.
I did that once, okay, because I really wanted to get out of a work thing. Nishi, no. And I was like, saline IV, and like
Yeah.
my DMs are filled with actual friends of mine. Like, क्या हो
क्या
गया?
हुआ?
हर मिनट की खबर रहती है, ये क्या हुआ? Like, just trying to get out of work, bro. नहीं सुन रहे, नहीं
No,
सुन
but this
रहे.
used to happen a lot before COVID, and then COVID happened, and then people stopped putting their
Yeah.
hospital bracelets. And they're like,
Too real now, too real.
now we can't. Now we get banned from everywhere.
I've grown up with acne and it was like a
Hmm.
huge thing for me.
Hmm.
I used to get picked on. I used to
Yeah.
get bullied. I still do get like acne because I am traveling so much.
Yeah.
It's like water change,
Hmm.
weather change,
Hmm.
this
Food
change,
intake is
that
also
change,
there.
Yeah,
food
lots of
change.
things.
It's so annoying. It's like okay, I'm getting used to one cream. It clears my entire skin, but then again I'm traveling, and then again
It
the
gets
same
messed
thing.
up, of course. It's only the haters pointed out. They're like, खुद की cream तो लगाओ, खुद
हाँ
dark
भाई।
circles हटाओ. I'm like, where? I'll explain to you what
हाँ
genetic
भाई,
dark
तू
circles
बोलते
are.
रहे।
What?
तू बोलते रहे।
GND की spelling नहीं आती तुझे, अनपढ़. 5वीं क्लास से फेल हो गया तू.
Yeah.
So it's that
सातवीं
one,
fail.
one
Yeah, and-
Ramesh from fucking
And
one
their
गाँव in
bios
Madhya
are-
Pradesh.
And their bios are be kind, be nice to
हाँ,
everyone. Like this, I comment. I go and I'm like, did you read your bio today? Question mark.
No, this is if they have like RIP somebody in their bio, it's like that's why you died.
I was
People
gonna
do that. People
Have
do
you?
that.
Have
Not me.
you?
I've not done that. I've never done that. But
No. I'm asking, have you come across an account which had RIP this?
No.
Not anymore, but like it used to happen so much before, right? Like
Really?
RIP.
RIP
Or
mom.
like Meri Jaan with their account tagged or
Seriously?
something.
Yeah,
Jaan
Meri
and
Jaan.
wifey and all.
Yeah.
I know.
Fly hiking, and then it'll be like their dead friends
Yeah,
act.
no.
Cake
Or
murderer.
cake murderer. Or it would be like a ring emoji, an earth
Yeah,
emoji,
and a
and a heart
heart
emoji.
emoji.
And their boyfriend or girlfriend's
Girlfriend's
name.
hand.
That was
Yeah.
so cringe.
I feel like because I'm such a Bombay girl and I've lived here all my
Hmm.
life, I have genuinely known to like understand a taxi wala through and through, and all of them. I know all of them. I know their antics. I know
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah.
Now this year I had to go for an internship to a shady area where nobody wants to really take their
Take you.
taxi.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm like getting out of the house and I'm like trying to catch a cab. 8-9 cabs have rejected me. My tears
Cry.
have started. My tears have started. Not the next one that reject me. I'm like,
Yeah.
निकाला क्यों टैक्सी? घर चले जाओ. नहीं जाना है. Grand Road नहीं चलेगा. घर जा. I'm just crying. I'm crying. 2-3 लोगों को मैंने बोला घर जा. मैंने एक आध गाली भी दी.
Right.
I am not proud of
Yeah.
it. I am not. मैंने किसी बुजुर्ग को गाली दी है. लेकिन मैंने किया वो. फिर एक और बुजुर्ग आया. And he's seeing me cry तो वो दूर से ही slow हो रहा है.
Yeah.
And he's like, कहाँ जाना है? बैठ जा. फिर मैं टैक्सी में भी रो रही हूँ. टैक्सी में रो रही हूँ. मुझे पूछता है मैडम आपको लेट हो रहा है क्या? मैं आओ भैया जल्दी चलाओ प्लीज. So yeah.
I feel like Mumbai taxi drivers are ride or die, bro. They'll get you anywhere. They'll get
Yeah.
you
For
any-
real,
Once
for
you
real.
I
find
remember.
one, he'll get you anywhere.
Yes.
I agree. I was working at Kamla Mills, okay? I leave, so I had to be there by 9. So I would leave the house 8:15ish. ठीक है? I have left the house a little late. My bad. Agreed. My fault. और मेरा गली मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि वहाँ टैक्सी नहीं मिलेगी. हर 2 मिनट में टैक्सी जाती है खाली सुबह के टाइम. मैं टैक्सी ढूंढ रही हूँ. 8-10 लोगों ने मना किया कि नहीं जाना. It is I think somewhere around 8:30 के बीच में. और वहाँ पहुंचे तक तो एटलीस्ट 15-20 मिनट तो लगता है तुमको.
Yeah.
ठीक है. फिर मुझे याद है 15 मिनट 8:45 में टैक्सी में बैठी हूँ. I have reached there in 10 minutes. I don't know how. I am stressed कि मुझे लेट नहीं, क्योंकि फिर मेरे पैसे कटेंगे. तो मुझे टाइम पे पहुंचना है. He somehow got through some sort of wormhole.
They got your
Yeah.
back.
Make me reach there.
Yeah.
I'm like, wow.
Bro, it used to always happen to me whenever so my college was like really far away and I used to take the train So for me, I knew that at this time there's a specific AC train which is like fast to that station, because वो station पे fast trains रुकती नहीं है.
Right.
1 घंटे में एक fast train आती है. तो ये fast भी है, ये AC भी है. ये तो मतलब miss ही नहीं कर सकते. वो 7:40 की रहती थी and I had to reach my college around 8:15 or something. The lectures would start around 8:30. So then anyhow I would leave the house, like anyhow I would try to leave the house before like 7:25. Sometimes I've left the house at 7:30 also and I've told them भैया आज
Late हो रहा है.
जल्दी. और मुझे वो बॉम्बे सेंट्रल स्टेशन पता नहीं कौन से गली से घुसा के कहाँ से निकाल के, ये रास्ता तो पहले कभी देखा ही नहीं भाई. क्रेजी
ये रास्ता वो जैसे वो चला रहा है वैसे बन रहा है वो रास्ता.
और ऑटोमेटिकली वो वहीं पे खुल रहा है.
Yes.
Yeah, dude,
Yeah.
crazy.
Have you had that?
Yeah. So many times. It's
So,
crazy.
like, do you live in a locality where it's difficult to find a cab?
No, I have. My cabbies are very arrogant in a way that if they see that you are in, you need them. You shouldn't show you need
You
them.
shouldn't.
Because this one, so I'm standing, okay, I want to go to the gym. My gym is like 5 minutes away, but by cab, if I walk, it'll take me half an hour. So, cabbies are rejecting me, this, that. This one guy pulls up in an Omni, and I'm like, I'm also like,
No.
I'm also like hesitant. And he's like, I was like, Kems corner jana. He's like, 200 लगेगा. And I was like, sis,
घर पे.
I'll miss the gym. It's
Yeah.
fine.
I'll walk rather.
And I didn't believe him. And I was like, 200? And
He
he's
must have thought you were out of town.
Yeah.
You're from out of town.
Yeah, they
No,
do that
I
a
was
lot.
in my gym outfit, yeah.
No,
And
but
I
they
was
still
like,
do that a lot. If you're dressed up, or if
You're
if
dressed
they-
well.
if you're dressed well, or
No,
they know
he
you
does.
have to
so
be
he,
somewhere.
This particular guy, I have friends in the building. They're like, this guy, he knows you're desperate. He will charge
Yeah,
you
yeah,
400,
yeah.
500, whatever he's feeling.
God,
like.
so he's
So
there
he's
only.
just out there in this Omni being
Yeah.
like, this person looks desperate.
There's something said to me about Omni taxi drivers, bro.
Which I don't. But एक second, जब भी काम पड़ा है,
हाँ.
ओमनी ही काम आया है.
काम आए. देख जब क्या बोलते हैं उसको, when push comes to shove.
When
Yeah.
push comes, push.
Yes. Puss.
Your push
Puss
comes to shove.
My push comes to sub.
Your push comes to shove.
I was just thinking about that.
I love a good like a Mumbai travel story. Like I have these like NRI cousins visiting, and I visited them day before, and like I was like, oh my god, where do you guys want to go? Like you want to see the local and they're half white, okay, so they get tanned and all. They're, like,
Yeah. Sunburned, not
sunburned,
tanned.
yeah, exactly. So they get sunburned. So I tell them, oh my god, I'll take you like to a local like train station, or like we could even catch the train. And then one of them is like, no, I'm really claustrophobic. I'm like,
They don't.
you
They
don't.
don't.
No, it's not even that. Claustrophobia बात ही नहीं बनती
Concept ही
मुंबई
नहीं है,
लोकल
concept.
में.
But भाई अगर तू
बट इतना
अगर तू
ventilation.
उसको दादर के
Don't do
ट्रेन
it.
में
Like,
लेके
why
जाएगा.
would you
Dead
do
by
that?
dead, ICU.
You can't do that.
She is thinking of a New York like
Metro.
Metro.
vibes.
She
Yeah.
does not know how much
Tube.
ventilation we have.
Tube.
DLR.
I love it. Oh my god. If you guys have watched up until this point, comment down below what city you're from and what you like about your city, and what emoji should we give them, Ashi?
The pizza one.
Oh,
The
the
pizza emoji.
pizza emoji.
Yeah.
Ashi, why don't you plug all of your work here?
Let's
because
do
I
it.
want them to follow you and keep following you.
Okay, you
Yeah.
can follow me on Instagram at Ashi Adani. You can follow me on YouTube at Ashi Adani. And you
Wow.
can follow me in real life at Ashi Adani.
In real life, you want a stalker?
Yeah, I would like one.
So that you could have a crazy stalker story
Stalk
time
next time.
on your YouTube.
Yes.
Yay. I love it.
We loved hanging out with Ashi. It was so
Thank
much
you.
fun
I had so
having
much
you
fun.
here.
She didn't ask us to say this. We're just saying it. But she's damn fun. She's amazing. She's lovely to talk to. She's a
Easygoing.
great person. She's very humble.
Funny.
Funny. Yeah.
Humble,
Humorous, humble. My god, her makeup's like actually flawless in real life.
Eating.
Guys,
Yeah.
I don't think you guys get it. But like what you see on camera, it's looking like that
Like
in real
that.
life.
Yeah.
Thank
for
you
real.
so much. This I didn't ask them to say. Humble, I asked them to say.
No, but you think of like beauty influencers influencers, you know, okay, it's looking good in front. Like Madeline, that girl that does the
Yeah.
foundation.
Oh my god.
I can't imagine that looks good in real life.
It does. I don't
I
think.
don't
Or maybe
think
she
so.
used like a fuck ton of powder to set that in.
Whatever.
Or
No,
face.
it still look cakey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you want
Right?
that girl Madeline on the pod and us to review her makeup, please subscribe to the channel.
And if you're watching this on
You wa-
Reels,
Let me ask them
Okay.
to like the video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it with all of your friends, share it with anybody who you know that follows Ashi. So you can let them know that we have spoken to her.
and if you listen to us on Spotify, make sure you give us a good rating there. Make sure you listen to us, share with your friends, and
And if you're watching us on Reels, don't forget to share those Reels, comment good things, like them, and follow us on Instagram at We Are Besharam. Until next time,
time.
stay
Stay
Besharam.
Besharam.
Bye.